pristine lawn can develop small brown patches that expand and merge into a field of withered, ragged grass in a matter of days. The cause is the armyworm. Moving in synchronized numbers like a battalion, these pests aggressively consume turf grasses across your yard. Stopping them requires a specific sequence of actions. We will walk through how to identify the environmental evidence, visually confirm the target, and execute a precisely timed chemical application. To complete this operation, you will need to perform a close-up ground inspection, prepare a standard broadcast spreader or garden hose, and select the appropriate 7 insect killer. Because armyworms travel in massive numbers and feed rapidly, waiting for widespread damage makes recovery difficult. Early detection and immediate, methodical treatment are necessary to save the grass from total defoliation. Step 1 is checking the turf before the worms are fully visible. Drop down to ground level, right at the edge of the dying patches, and inspect the structural integrity of the individual grass blades. Examining the tissue reveals a specific damage pattern. The pest strips away only the green cellular layer, leaving a transparent membrane behind. This creates what is known as the windowpane effect. Step 2 involves monitoring the broader landscape for anomalies. Observe the yard for an influx of animal activity, concentrated in specific areas of the turf. Starlings, skunks, or rodents actively probing and scratching at the grass indicates they are hunting. They are digging for a dense food source hiding right beneath the surface. By combining these observations, the microscopic blade damage and altered animal behavior, you can intervene before the grass is sheared entirely to the soil line. To confirm the target, physically part the grass exactly at the boundary line where the dead brown patches meet the healthy green turf. Look for worm-like larvae measuring exactly 1.5 to 2 inches in length. Their heads will vary in color, but their bodies will display a distinct series of green, yellow, red, or brown stripes running horizontally down their sides and backs. There is one definitive marker you need to locate. Check the front of the head capsule for an inverted Y shape stamped directly between the eyes. Locating this specific marking confirms you are dealing with armyworms. Accurate identification ensures the chemical treatments we are about to prepare will work. Even with the right product, applying it during the midday heat results in failure. When temperatures peak, armyworms retreat deep into the thatch, the dense layer of organic matter sitting just above the soil. While they feed around the clock, they only expose themselves at specific points in their daily biological cycle. Action must be concentrated during the early morning and late evening. These specific hours are when the pests emerge from the thatch to feed, moving into the direct line of fire. Timing your application to align with these active windows guarantees maximum contact with the pests while they are exposed on the blades. With the target confirmed and the timing set, you have 2 primary methods for treating the entire yard. For the first method, load 7 insect killer lawn granules into a standard broadcast spreader. Walk the yard at a steady, methodical pace to ensure completely uniform coverage. Once the granules are down, you must immediately water the entire treated area. The water dissolves the granular casing. This physical reaction drives the active ingredients deep into the soil and thatch layer, reaching the targets below ground. For the second method, take the 7 insect killer ready to spray liquid formula and attach it directly to your garden hose. Use broad, sweeping motions. Thoroughly coat the turf and ensure you hit all surfaces of any affected garden plants and vegetables. If you only have a highly localized breach, grab the ready-to-use 2 formula, adjust the spray nozzle, and apply a rapid spot treatment directly to the affected area. Following these specific delivery methods ensures the active ingredients saturate the environment, neutralizing the armyworms whether they are actively feeding above or sheltering below. Executing this protocol stops the marching damage, allowing your lawn to heal and maintain continuous green growth. The application kills the existing population on contact and establishes a residual chemical barrier that protects the turf against future invasions for up to 3 months. If your treatment area borders edible crops, read the product label closely. You must check the pre-harvest interval. the strict number of days required between chemical application and safely consent. By mapping the environmental evidence, striking during the correct biological window, and applying the right chemical tools, you can successfully neutralize the armyworm battalion and protect your turf for the season ahead.